Today is another Friday, and what more are we talking about than Free Friday? Hi guys, and welcome back to askNK. Today we're going to be talking about where you can get free CAD files and you can use them for both 3D printing and you can also use them for your projects. And these CAD files are totally free, which you can use. You can do amazing renders and amazing, designs with this thing. So just in case you want to do that next 3D project or you want to do the next 3D printing, you can come over to this website and you can check out the things that they have. And if you want to get some tutorials about this, of course, you can come through and find them. They have a couple of softwares which are also useful. You can go through and filter by the softwares. You can also filter by categories and also by time, and this is very interesting. And the website is called grabcard.com. So if you go over to grabcard.com, first things first is you need to create an account. And so once you create an account, you'll be able to see models that have been made using 3D Studio Max, SolidWorks, and even Rhino. So you can come through, check out these things, filter them by the softwares that you want, and then just simply hit download. You can also choose to actually filter these things. Like for example, you want to filter things by 3D printing and you want them to be like 3D Studio Max. Of course, you can filter them, and very simple, you can just hit the download button and you can get these things up and running. A cool thing with this is once you download this file, or before you download this file, you get to see the content that this would come up with. Most of these things are actually either FBX or they are STL. If you're downloading 3D Studio Max files, of course you can get OBJ, but it's quite rare for you to get OBJ files. But most of them are STL files, step files, and also IGS. You could also be very lucky to get complete SolidWorks part files that you can use, and you can go ahead and assemble them and use them for whatever thing that you want. So what I've done so far is I've gone through and I found a very interesting model, a model like this, and you can actually load this model directly into apps like Keyshot, Maverick Studio, Blender, 3D Studio Max, and also Maya, and you can do some very cool renders with this. So this is it. I just went ahead to download this so you guys can take a very good spin and see what this looks like. All right, so you can come through, download these things, and they are very quick. They have very nice stuff that you can use, and you can go ahead and just play with them. And link is going to be in the description. There are also a couple of free Friday stuffs in the channel. You can go through and check them out. So if you want to get free contents, you can check these things out and use them for whatever thing that you want. Tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section. Today is Free Friday. You're there, the internet is here. You can go through, download these things, use them for whatever thing that you want. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit the like button and also turn on notification. And if you're new here, it's going to be super amazing if you can hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.